Hi, and welcome to another drink segment. Tonight, doing things a little bit different and hanging out here with Pennywise. So, we are going to make what's supposed to taste like an Almond Joy. What we're going to need for that is Amaretto, what that face was, Creme de Cacao, some Coconut Rum, and it calls for light cream, but for the life of me, you can't find light cream anywhere. I looked it up. They said you can use 2% milk, so we're gonna give it a go, see what happens. All right, so I got my cup of ice here. Stir. You could do things with that. And my little measuring thing here, because we're gonna be professional about this. All right, so we need 1 ounce of Amaretto. I think I said that right. Just going to pour that in there like so. Very careful not to spill. No party fouls here. And then we need 1 ounce of the Creme de Cacao. Oh, that's lovely. Woo. Almost, man. Almost fouled that up. Pour that in. And then we will 1/2 ounce of coconut rum. Really? Only 1/2? I love Malibu. That might have been a little bit more than 1/2. That's okay. It'll be okay. And then 2 ounces of light cream or 2% milk, which I had to go with because, like I said, I find heavy cream all day. Light cream. Can't talk while I'm pouring. All right, final ingredient. Keep your eyes over that way, buddy. All right, give it a little stir. Cheers. Oh, that is so friggin' good. That tastes like an Almond Joy minus the nuts. All right, guys, have a great night.